Welcome back to Disabled and Prepping, and today for lunch I am having I I'm gonna call it a hamburger steak, um, even though it's more in like almost a patty version. Don't worry, it's the camera effect that's making it look like it's still kind of a little bit raw. It's not, it's fully cooked. I found some A1 sauce, and re- I thought I was out, but I managed to find some. So I do need to get more. And then I have some of the coleslaw still from a KFC meal. I have just enough for another side version of the coleslaw, so I'll probably have that tonight just because it needs to get used up. But that's what I'm having for lunch. Some coleslaw. I love KFC coleslaw. I wish I could find the exact recipe. Like, not a copycat, not as similar to, but the original recipe. That would be great. Because I have tried some other ones that aren't exactly their recipe, and it's just slightly different. Anyways, I like that. I love this stuff. And then I'm gonna have my A1 sauce on my hamburger steak kind of hamburger. So, all right, everybody, have a wonderful day, wonderful evening, depending on when you watch this. And may God bless each and every one of you and your friends and family as well. And yeah, I think I messed that up, but you all know what I mean. And I'm kind of having a bad brain day today, but it's okay. They come and go. So anyways, have a wonderful one. See you next time. Bye for now.